Hi everyone, this is Jon Najarian of the Investitute, and on behalf of our Lighthouse Point Options newsletter, I'd like to go over last week's Lighthouse Point Options trade with you and possibly a future trade. If you take a look, last Tuesday, we started seeing signs of a potential failure at resistance in PANW. We decided to hop in playing some puts as the NASDAQ had a little trouble. And sure enough, we got our PANW breakdown all the way down to our target of the 50-day moving average. Of course, being that we hit a support level, we also had, as you can see, the 200-day moving average there also, plus a little flatline support at around 131.50. It was time to get out, which we did. However, there's a new opportunity. PANW looks like it went ahead and didn't hold the 50, nor did it hold the 200. It closed almost right on the 131.50 or so flat line. The next opportunity could be a big one. If this break of the 50-day moving average and the 200-day can lead to a break of this flat line, we could be looking at a big drop because this stock has a gap to fill right here, down to about 118.50, 119. We're, of course, going to need the market's help on this one because without some overall downside momentum, it's going to be hard for PANW to fill that gap. However, earnings are starting to push behind us. Where we did have a great earnings season, we have had a ridiculously big run. And it's quite possible that we can see a little bit of a sell-off when the earnings season gets past us as people start to take profits. So keep an eye on PANW for future opportunity on a breakdown below 131.50. And for our Lighthouse Point Options and Lighthouse Point Platinum Options subscribers, hey guys, great trade. Nice job. Keep it going. We'll talk to you all later. This is Jon Najarian of the Investitute on behalf of our Lighthouse Point Options newsletter.